I am HVAC repair guy, and I spent 17 years in the field after working as a nuclear power electrician. If there is one thing I know, it is that the guts of a machine matter more than the name on the cabinet. Today, we are lining up two entry level ducted split heat pumps for a head to head battle, the Ameristar A5 HP5 and the Champion LX series, the 2. Both are basic category units built for homeowners who need reliable heating and cooling without paying for features they will not use. When you look at build quality cabinet protection is your first line of defense against the elements, both the Ameristar A5 HP5 and the Champion. The two feature slotted panel construction. Slotted panels are a step above a basic wire grill because they protect fragile aluminum fins from hail or stray rocks. Do not mistake them for true, heavy-duty louvered panels. They are a middle ground balancing airflow and physical shielding. Moving to efficiency and comfort, the Ameristar. A5 HP5 has an HSPF 2 of 8.5, while the Champion, the 2, has an 8.0 rating. That half-point difference represents a measurable reduction in your winter power bill in this basic tier matchup. Both units rely on single-stage technology, meaning the compressor and condenser fan are either 100% on or completely off. This is rugged, simple tech any tech in a van can fix, but it will not provide ultra-quiet, precise temperature control like variable speed systems. Ameristar is a subsidiary brand owned by Train Technologies, serving as a value-oriented label that uses flagship engineering blueprints. Champion is a brand under Johnson Controls positioned as a secondary label to the flagship York brand. Bosch Home Comfort has recently purchased the Johnson Controls residential business. When you buy these subsidiary brands, you are getting flagship quality internal components at a value tier price point. For the 2026 season, the Ameristar A5 HP5 condenser typically retails for about $19.50 with full installs from $6,600 to $8,200. The Champion. The 2 equipment is priced around $1,800 with installed system costs between $6,300 and $7,800. My golden rule for maintenance is keep those slotted panels clear because they can trap leaves and cottonwood seeds. A quick annual rinse with a garden hose, not a pressure washer, will keep head pressures low and the compressor happy. In the warranty battle, both brands offer a standard 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. Neither unit includes a unit replacement pledge, and both are proudly manufactured in the USA. The verdict is the Ameristar A5 HP5 because the 8.5 HSPF2 efficiency gives it the edge in long-term value. You are getting train-level engineering in a budget-friendly cabinet that will save you more on utility bills over the next decade. The Champion loses this round because its lower efficiency does not offer enough upfront savings to bridge the gap. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC Dash for dashbeginners.com.